everyone, I'm your very honest astrologer Leena Kapoor and you're watching me exclusively on Femurai. Today I'll be sharing your love horoscope 2021. So guys, in the month of February, in the month of love, do check out your horoscope 2021. Either love is waiting for you or not. So let's get started. How your love life gonna be in 2021? So I'm going to start with Aries. So Aries, you are holding yourself back. Maybe you have a bad time with your partner, or you are way thinking too much. This is against your nature. So Aries people, don't think too much कि पता नहीं होगा नहीं होगा, is he the right one or she the right one or not, I don't know. ऐसा कुछ सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. Try to get into a relationship which is really healthy for you. I am not saying कि फटाफट से किसी के साथ भी आप relationship में आ जाइए, but हाँ, love is in the chart, so I think you should go ahead with love. So let's talk about Taurus. Taurus, which is the second zodiac in the list. If I talk about the love life of Taurus, so I think you are sharing a beautiful bond with your partner. So I think you should clean the air. You should, open up your arms to get the partner. Maybe someone is near to you, or maybe someone is proposing you or propose कर चुके हैं, क्योंकि जो लव रिलेशनशिप है 2021 में वो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल आप शेयर करेंगे अपने पार्टनर के साथ. उनके साथ डेफिनेटली आप एक रिस्पेक्टेबल बॉन्ड शेयर करेंगे. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि टॉरस पीपल, आप देखिए कि कौन है वो आपके आसपास जो आपको दिल से चाहते हैं. तो आप प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा ओपन अप होइए, और डेफिनेटली अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि होगा या नहीं होगा तो डेफिनेटली होगा. आप प्लीज़ जाइए और हाँ कर दीजिए. Gemini people, it would be a wonderful year for you guys, because Gemini के जो लॉर्ड होते हैं which is Mercury, और 2021 ऑलरेडी Mercury का ही ईयर है. तो डेफिनेटली 2021 में आप बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल फीलिंग्स शेयर करेंगे अपने पार्टनर के साथ. रिलेशनशिप के बारे में अगर हम बात करें तो इट गोना बी अ ब्यूटीफुल ईयर फॉर यू गाइज. लाइक इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर a destination wedding, or you want to go for a travel का जितना भी, if you are willing to plan कि हनीमून पे यहाँ जाना है, या फिर मैं इनके साथ यहाँ घूमने जाना चाहता हूँ या चाहती हूँ, तो डेफिनेटली you guys gonna travel the world if you want. तो डेफिनेटली 2021 आपके लिए बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल ईयर होने वाला है अपने पार्टनर के साथ. ओवरऑल जेमिनाई पीपल, आपका बहुत ही अच्छा ईयर है ये इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिलेशनशिप. तो कुछ भी आप सोचें तो डेफिनेटली उसमें आपको सक्सेस मिलेगी, पॉजिटिविटी मिलेगी, और आपका जो रिलेशनशिप है ना वो ऑल टुगेदर एक डिफरेंट लेवल पे चला जाएगा. सो नाउ वी हैव कैंसर. कैंसर इज रूल्ड बाय मून जो कि हमारा मन है. तो मर्क्यूरी का ईयर है, और चांद के बारे में अगर मैं बात करूँ, कैंसर पीपल के बारे में अगर मैं बात करूँ, तो आई थिंक आप लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस्ड हैं. आप लोगों को लग रहा है नहीं, मुझे वेट करना चाहिए, मेरा प्रिंस चार्मिंग अपने आप आएगा, और नहीं, मुझे नहीं करना है, मुझे इन चक्रों में नहीं पड़ना है, लेट मी कंसंट्रेट ऑन माई स्टडीज़, और आप लोग नहीं इस पे जाना चाहते हैं. तो आई थिंक 2021 इज़ द ईयर ऑफ वेट. बट हाँ, ये भी है थोड़ा सा कि आप एक्सप्लोर कीजिए, फ्रेंड्स को एक्सप्लोर कीजिए, और इस जर्नी को, इस मोमेंट को एंजॉय कीजिए. मे भी हो सकता है किसी ने आपको प्रपोज किया या करे फ्यूचर में, तो आप एज अ फ्रेंड उनके साथ रहिएगा, और ट्राई टू enjoy this journey. So Leo people, you guys are ruled by Sun. So if I talk about love in 2021 for you guys, so I think you should watch everything. Try to give this light to everyone, not make anything in darkness. So 2021 mein I think there is no hurry. Just go with the flow. You are beautiful and you are in a very strong position right now. I think you have a way far better image in society as well. So I think 2021 mein you should wait and search for more opportunities. Just lie down and relax yourself. So Virgo people, you guys are ruled by Mercury, and 2021 itself a year of Mercury. So definitely there would be a great chances of having a love relationship, a fruitful love relationship in 2021. So guys, you can also get married to someone who is far away from your own hometown. You might get married to some foreign places as well. So if you are looking out for proposals, so do consider the proposals which are coming far from your hometown. and definitely a fruitful and lovable partner will come up your way. So if I talk about Libra people, so Libra, you guys are ruled by Venus. So if I talk about love relationship in 2021, so there may be chances of having a breakup with your current relationship, or you may get someone very understanding and loving, caring partner in upcoming months. Okay, so don't stress yourself out, don't think too much. Things will settle down soon, very soon. You will definitely get someone in your life who understands you more than the previous one. So don't hassle yourself, don't stress yourself. Just stay calm and composed and wait for the right person to enter in your life. So Scorpions, you guys are ruled by Mars, and Mercury doesn't have good relationship with Mars. But still, definitely 2021 you need to meditate a little bit, and you need to understand your own feelings. You may feel alone or sometimes emotionally unstable in terms of love and partner, but you really need to be grounded at times. You really need to meditate and understand your own feelings. So don't get upset, as you guys are so emotional since it's a water sign. So guys need to be relaxed. Okay, don't hassle too much, don't think too much. Okay, so love is on the charts but not that too positive. So don't get stuck in any unhealthy or negative relationship. It would be rather better be alone. So Sagittarius people, you guys are ruled by Jupiter, and Jupiter, which is the lord of Devtas. Okay, so Jupiter itself is a wisdom. Okay, but I think you guys are carrying a negative relationship, or you are stuck in a negative relationship which doesn't give you any positivity or calmness. So I think it's a time in 2021 you must break that relationship. If you are in a marriage and you want to take a decision, so just go ahead, don't think too much. Domestic violence isn't your stuff. Okay, and if you are stuck in a love relationship before marriage, so I think it's time to break up with your present relationship, since it's not at all good for you, or maybe you're also feeling the same. Do tell me if you really stuck in a relationship, because time is now. So Capricorn people, you guys are ruled by Saturn. Saturn, which is the lord of hard work, which is the lord of justice. So I think a transformation is on the charts. You guys really need to look into yourselves and try to get the positive and new energies from within, rather than stuck with a person who is not able to understand you as you want to be. Okay, so now it's hard time to understand your own feelings and tell the person in which you are into the relationship with. So I think you must go ahead in life, and the actual time has come to transform your own energies. Okay, try to bridge the gap with your partner. अगर आप डिसीजन नहीं ले पा रहे हैं पार्टनर के साथ, आपको कोई फैसला समझ नहीं आ रहा है, आपको आंसर्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं इतने टाइम से, अगर आप सर्वाइव कर रहे हैं एक रिलेशनशिप को, तो I think 2021 is the best time to get the answers of your questions. Aquarius people, you guys are ruled by Saturn again, and it would be a very blissful year for you guys. 2021 will really rock you guys. You will definitely find someone who really loves you and understands you. So guys, I think you should move ahead with the proposal if you are looking out for marriage. So I think all the answers are within yourself. So just try to look for the best match. But in 2021 definitely you will find someone who really loves you and care for you. Aquarius, अगर कुछ टाइम से कोई आपके लिए प्रपोजल दे रहा है, आपको बार बार आपको बोल रहा है कि वो आपसे प्यार करता है या करती है, तो आई थिंक डू रीच आउट टू देम. तो प्लीज एक बार उनसे बात जरूर कर लीजिएगा कोई भी डिसीजन लेने से पहले. सो Pisces people, you guys are ruled by Jupiter, and you are a water sign. So guys, I think you guys are too emotional, and you really want someone who really understands you and care about your emotions. So guys, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि 2021 में आपको जो भी प्रॉब्लम पहले रही है पास्ट में, कोई ऐसा शायद रिश्ता था आपकी लाइफ में जो टूट गया था, या फिर कुछ प्रॉब्लम की वजह से रिलेशनशिप ब्रेक हो गया था, तो अब टाइम आ गया कि आप उसको हील करें और लाइफ में मूव ऑन कर जाइए. So guys, I'm done with all the zodiac, the love prediction for 2021. So let me tell you that this is the general basic reading for all the zodiac. It is not for the particular person. So if you want the independent reading, do reach me out, Niyati Good Life. I'm available on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. And thank you so much for your time. Have a blissful 2021 and loads of surprises and love in February. Thank you so much, guys.